Hello po Leo Collective, Sun, Moon and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Pagbukas ko pa lang po ng video natin ay umuulan sa labas. So it's gonna be a beautiful reading dahil may blessings from the above. Thank you nga rin pala sa mga nangga-like, share, and subscribe. And also for not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po. Feel ko po ang inyong love and support sa akin. So start na po tayo. Itignan lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use po your intuition so that malaman niyo po yung mga right messages na akma for you. At the center of your reading, you have the Five of Cups. In the area of what you want, you have the Four of Pentacles. In the area of what you need, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Beautiful. In the area of your recent past, you have the Six of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Six of Swords. Wow, sailing, moving forward. In the area of your challenge, you have the Eight of Cups. Wow. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Hermit. Wow. In the area of your advice from the Divine, you have the Queen of Cups and the Justice card. Lovely. And sa iyong outcome this week, Leo, you have the Four of Swords. Wow. Sa bottom po ng iyong deck, you have the Five of Wands. You battling these monsters. Ang kita mo, parang nilabalan nyo ito mga dragons dyan. It's about you winning the competition or winning the race or winning the argument with other people. Meron mga conflict o disagreements o di pagkakaunawan with other people or within the group or sa workplace, and you're gonna prove yourself and prove your worth, and now it's a time for you na to rise above the challenge and win. So congratulations for you, Leo, kasi mapaglalaban mo yung karapatan mo, mapaglalaban mo yung posisyon mo, at mapaglalaban mo yung para sa tingin mo ay tama, hindi ba? So simulan na po natin yung reading. Apakagandang simula. At the center of your spread, you have the Five of Cups. You focusing on the bright side of things. Kalimutan mo na yung mga hindi natapos, kalimutan mo na yung mga lumagpas sa yung opportunity o yung mga bagay na hindi akma for you, o yung mga tinrabaho mo na walang nangyari, o yung mga pag-ibig na lumipas na hindi ka maka-move on. So now, focus ka dito sa Two of Cups na to, itong hawak, kung tinitignan ito, napakagandang mermaid na ito. So focus ka daw sa mga magagandang bagay, focus ka sa kung ano yung meron, focus ka sa kung ano yung dapat sa'yo. So turning your perspective into things that are important, yun ang mahalaga for you. Five of Cups. So lean in dun sa mas importante at nandyan kasi yun ang mga nawala na. So the Five of Cups being clarified by the Three of Swords, a heartbreak. Tama nga, disappointments in the past. Rejections. I'm saying na-reject ka na, na-reject, and you're thinking, ano pa bang para sa akin? So you really have to pray hard and work hard so that makuha mo pa tong Two of Cups na ito na bagong opportunity for you. There are a lot of blessings coming to you in your life. You just have to lean into the things na magaganda, optimistic, hindi ba? Learn how to appreciate what you have rather than cling into those things na tapos na at negatibo, hindi ba? Akit po tayo sa area of conscious and subconscious in the position of what you want. You want the Four of Pentacles. You want stability. You want financial stability. Gusto mo pagka meron kang makakain anytime, may panggastos kayo anytime, may pambayad ng bills na hindi ka na maghahanap, di ba? Sino bang hindi, di ba? You want to really be stable in your job o stable in your relationship with someone. But here, I'm seeing talaga ang nasa utak mo ay you really want to have that stable job o stable na pagkakakitaan, yung hindi ka na yun talaga may buwan ng sweldo, hindi yung paiba-iba kada buwan, o yung sigurado talaga na sa'yo at siguradong meron kang mauhugot anytime na kailanganin mo yung pera, diba? So the Four of Pentacles in the position of what you want is being clarified by the Knight of Cups. You want someone to offer you, no? You want someone na nagbigay sa iyo ng magandang trabaho o may tumanggap sa mga offerings mo, bawa ito po yung kaya kong gawin, sana po matanggap niyo ako dito, and you want that may ini-aim ka na right project or right job offer for you, nagbibigay sa iyo ng stability na yun. I'm seeing someone lining, pumipila ka para sa trabahong ito, o nagbibigay ka ng mga requirements para makuha mo tong bagay na kailangan mo for a new job offer. I'm seeing mga seaman dyan na talagang pumipila para magkaroon ng trabaho abroad para ma-make sure ka nakikita ka na this month o this year, diba? So nandito yung utak mo ngayon ang pagkaroon ng magandang pagkakakitaan. In the area of what you need daw, sabi sa'yo ng iyong spirit guides, what you need, Ben, nagugulo yung cards ko. What you need is a 8 of Pentacles daw sa life mo. Kailangan mo talaga mag-work hard or i-master mo yung skill mo. Kung ano po yung line of work nyo now, kailangan mo daw i-work hard mo yan. Linangin mo. If you need seminar, if you need to ask for help for other mentors, supervisors, or office mate mo o katrabaho mo na mas maalam, learn from them. May maraming tutorials online so you can master and puliduhin yung trabaho ninyo. I'm seeing someone for others, love life, other Leos, i-work on mo daw yung relationship ninyo. If you're too secured or too insecure sa yung relationship, work hard on being a better you, a better Leo, and everything will work out just fine if you just put your hands on it and work hard for it, kasi wala kang hindi kayang gawin basta nakatuon daw yung atensyon mo. Tingnan mo siya, nakatuon yung mata niya, kita niyo ba? Nakatuon yung mukha niya doon sa mismong Pentacles at nililinis niya. Ibig sabihin, pinapaganda niya, inaayos niya, at saka nililinang niya yung mga bagay na importante sa kanya, yung trabaho niya, para lalo siyang kumita ng malaki. So the 8 of Pentacles is being clarified by the 2 of Swords. Sometimes you just have to choose or go out of your comfort zone and try to understand at try to elevate what you have. May mga trabaho ka na kailangan hindi ka nagkadalawang isip o hindi ka half-hearted o hindi ka urong-sulong. So make sure na kung ano yung pagkatrabahuhan mo ay nakafocus ka doon at don't falter, huwag kang hihinto, huwag kang panghinaan na loob, huwag kang madidistract, just focus on the things na importante sa iyo and work hard for it. In the recent past, you have the Victory card, the 6 of Wands, one of my favorite cards sa tarot. So, meron kang na pagtagumpayan in the past, meron kang tinrabaho in the past, you research, you worked hard for it, people are praising you, people are rejoicing for you. Merong nakita ko dito, you were in the limelight or nakilala ka ng ibang tao. I'm seeing someone na parang nakaabot ng quota niya and then people are rejoicing or congratulating you in the past. You did something great in the past, but somehow now, you're searching for a new one, you're searching for new things, and merong rejection dito sa nangyari sa'yo ito in the past. Something happened with that victory, something happened with that search for your goal. So hanapin natin yan, 6 of Wands para ma-clarify natin. It's a 3 of Wands with other people ang yung pag-pursue sa goal, pero kang merong nag-stop dun sa goal mo na yun o merong humadlang dun sa push through mo in the past. I'm seeing someone na okay, narating ko, meron kang pinangarap pero nung nakuha mo, for other Leos ito meron kang pinangarap and then nakuha mo, hindi mo nagustuhan o hindi yun yung parang inasahan mong nagiging yun ang resulta, and it resulted for you on thinking I really need something new, or you're searching for something new at hindi ka naging maligaya dito sa bagay na ito. You're rejoicing, yes, merong umandar na isang bagay, but nagkaroon ng complications doon with other people or with the powers at be o sa trabaho mo o sa pamilya. May naapektuhan somewhere there sa naging decision mo na yan. Parang you win something and you lose something, parang ganun. So nahirapan kang balansehin yun kahit yun ang gusto mo. Parang may nag-suffer or may naapekto ang ibang bagay. In the near future, Leo, you have the 6 of Swords, moving forward and moving ahead. You chose to move on. Tuloy ito, nasa 5 of Cups ka with a lot of rejections and pain. Now, sa near future, Leo, mag-move forward ka na. Meron ka ng power and meron ka ng lakas ng loob na umiwas o dumiretso sa life mo o kalimutan mo na yung mga pain and rejections and mga bagay na hindi natupad, mga pangakong hindi natupad, and now you're ready to move forward with all the lessons na hawak mo. So congratulations kasi napalaya mo yung sarili mo, you're ready to move. I'm seeing someone moving to another places, another country, or another city. Basta you have this relocation, So the 6 of Swords is being clarified by 6 of Pentacles. Help is coming to you. Someone will give you parang a ride going papunta sa lugar na yun, pamasahe o sila yung mag-aasikaso ng papeles mo, visa and all, and the passport and everything, approved visa or approved application. But for others, someone will give you that help para makamove forward ka na and makamove on. So i-embrace mo yung tulong na yan from someone because it's gonna help you go to a brand new direction sa life mo. So, accept and welcome this new help with other people or with the opportunity na makakatulong sa'yo para maka-move on ka na. In the area of your challenge this week, Leo, you have the 8 of Cups. Tinalikuran mo na yung mga bagay katulad ng 6 of Cups na hindi na nag-work for you. You understand finally na okay, hindi na ito nag-work. I have to move forward. Kailangan buo na yung loob mo. Since sa area siya ng challenge, kailangan mo talagang i-accept sa puso mo na yes, I need to leave. I need to go now. Kailangan ko lang dumistansya. Hindi na itong para sa akin. Kahit tinrabaho mo yan ng mahabang panahon o pinaghirapan mo yan, mararamdaman mo na hindi yan para sa'yo and you have no choice but to move forward. So, ang challenge sa'yo ay, are you gonna stay or are you gonna go? But since in the near future, move ka. So, mapagtutagumpayan mo tong challenge na to, Leo. 8 of Cups being clarified by the 3 of Cups. Yeah, yung may mga tao ka in the past na nahihirapan ka to move forward, nahihirapan ka iwan. Mahalaga sila sa'yo, importante sila sa'yo. They say a lot of things sa'yo na iba-iba yung opinions nila. I'm seeing someone na hirapang umalis ng trabaho kasi napamahal ka na dun sa mga workmates mo. For others, it's a family member. Kayo po yung OFW, nahihirapan kang umalis o mag-ibang bansa kasi maiiwan mo yung mga anak mo, maiiwan mo yung mga magulang mo o kapatid mo. You are having this heavy heart sa pag-move on, but you really need to move kasi ito yung talagang nakatadhana mong gawin is to live and go on and sail on, Leo. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Hermit card. Makikilala mo sa sarili mo ng buong buo this time, Leo. Malalaman mo na yung mga sagot sa mga tanong mo, yung mga hinahanap mo noon na hindi mo mahanap with the 5 of Cups. Itong pag-sail mo sa 6 of Swords and pag-iwas mo at pag-move forward mo with the 8 of Cups, mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo, mas pagkakatiwalaan mo yung kutob mo. Kung ano yung mga hinahanap mo, matatagpuan mo yan in the near future. Since sa area siya ng good fortune, kung ano yung mga gusto mong matupad ay matutupad dahil you have that immense power para hanapin at puntahan yung mga bagay na gusto mong puntahan. Diba mo hawak-hawak niya doon yung light at nasa kanya yung liwanag, yung between. Ibig sabihin, abot kamay niya yung mga bagay at mga pangarap na gusto niya makuha. So congratulations sa'yo, Leo. So the Hermit card is being clarified by the Justice. Yes, kung ano yung mga kasagutan, yung balance in life makukuha mo. Babalansin ang buhay mo now. Lahat ng mananalo ka sa isang kaso, I'm hearing, sa isang contract, magkakaroon ka ng kontrata. I'm also seeing someone having the good laugh, huling halakha kasi meron kang good karma coming to you this time, Leo. Congratulations. In the area of your advices from the Divine, you have the Queen of Cups and the Justice. Dalawang beses po lumabas ang Justice. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga gandang bagay ipaparating sa'yo, katotohanan ang darating sa'yo, may mga bagay na tinago sa'yo before, now, alam mo na yung totoo, alam mo na yung gagawin. So, congratulations, may balance sa'yo. With the Queen of Cups, ituon mo daw yung buong puso mo at yung totoong intention and good intention sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. And justice will come to you, good karma will come to you if you just have this good intention and pure heart in approaching a lot of things. So, the Queen of Cups is being clarified. Umuulan ulit. So, blessing to is Temperance. Wow. With the Archangel Michael with the Temperance, we need patience daw and saka tiyaga at buong puso mong ilaan na lahat yung buong puso mong ilaan ang iyong sarili sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mong marating. Pagkakalooban ka naman ni God ng blessings kasi may kita niya kung gaano ka katotoo at saka determinado makuha yung mga gusto mo. Justice is being clarified by the Devil. Yeah. Putulin mo daw yung mga tao o mga bagay na toxic sa'yo. Lumalakas na yung ulan. So, this is really a blessing for you, Leo. Narinig mo ba ako? Okay, so the Devil is being clarified by the Justice. Putulin mo daw yung mga toxic negativity mo in life, whether toxic habit o toxic people o toxic workplace. Kailangan mo talaga mag-move on and move forward in your life para magbago yung environment mo. Mawala na to mga devil na to sa life mo. So, have that power and courage na putulin sa life mo tong mga negatibong bagay o negatibong tao na ito. So, bago tipuntahan tong outcome mo na 4 of Swords, which is really lovely and beautiful, karoon muna tayo ng another messages from the Divine. First, we have number 34. Kung importante po sa inyo number 34, this message is for you. At kung nakita po kayo ng hummingbird anywhere, this message is definitely a confirmation for you now. Hummingbird spirit, be here now, be present. Kung ano yung kung ano yung decision mo now, kung ano nararamdaman mo na pain and disappointment, you're trying to look forward, be here, be now. Wag mo na isipin yung past at wag mo munang problemahin yung future. Be here and be happy with what you have right now. Another message is don't let pride get in the way. O, wag ka daw masyadong ma-ego. Just be who you are, pero yung pride and ego mo kasi yan nakaka-block yan ng goal o swerte mo Leo. Another message is ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Kapareho siya dito nung 8 of Cups, pupunta siya sa mountains na to. So you really need to go and move forward. Wala kang ibang choice, nakikinig ko, wala kang ibang choice to really move on and go. Kung kayo man po ay kailangan pumunta sa ibang lugar o magtrabaho abroad, this is a confirmation na you're reaching new heights. Kung kailangan mong trabahuhin talaga tong goal mo na tong path na to, mararating mo siya. You just have to really push through at huwag kang hihinto at huwag kang panghihinaan ng loob. Your outcome this week, Leo, you have the 4 of Swords. 4 of Swords is resting. Pinapahinga na niya yung kanyang mga swords dito, tapos na siya lumaban. Now she's trying to really sail on and move forward and have this parang a moment of self pag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Ngayon unahin mo muna yung sarili mo, mag-relax ka, mag-meditate ka, magsimba ka. I'm seeing someone pinapalakas niya yung kanyang spiritual power. I'm seeing someone na hindi ka muna laban ng laban o pinupuwersa yung mga bagay. You just let it flow, let it go, let it be. At since mananalo ka naman, we have this win card with the 5 of Wands. Just have to let it go. Huwag mo ipuwersahin. And let things unravel and let things flow with you and through you. Sa kadarating yung mga bagay at mga swerte and opportunity for you. So the 4 of Swords being clarified, Leo, with the 5 of Cups. Dalawang beses ba yung 5 of Cups? So now makikita mo na yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo, yung mga opportunity na para sa'yo. Makikita mo na yung mga bagay na for you and with you, at yung mga pinagpapasalamat mo sa life mo. Now mulat na yung mata mo and ma-realize mo, hindi ko na kailangang puwersahin yung mga bagay. Everything will come to me at the right time. And you moving on, moving forward and finding yourself now, having justice, good karma, everything will come to you smoothly and quickly. So, a very, very lovely outcome for this week, Leo. If you resonate po, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again. This has been your weekly reading for Feb 10 to Feb 16. Thank you po for like, share, and subscribe, and also for not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tyler PH. God bless everybody.